Hello, and welcome to this brief tutorial on creating a plain text resume. This tutorial was developed for use by students, but it may also be used by anyone in the online job hunting process. Securing a job in our digital reality likely involves applying for jobs online via an applicant tracking system. In many of these systems, you will be provided with the option to upload your resume, similar to how you might upload assignments to your instructor in college. However, some systems block external files for fears of contracting viruses. These systems may have a feature where you can copy and paste your information into their system, or they may ask you to send an email with your resume information. A plain text resume contains very little to no formatting and is perfect for these opportunities. You create this document in a plain text editor. The most common plain text editors are Notepad on a PC computer or TextEdit on a Mac. You can begin your plain text resume by copying and pasting your resume into the editing program. You will likely notice that the formatting will look funny or not quite right. In this example, you'll see that question marks were added to some of the spaces. This is why we are using the plain text editor, because we do not want to send this funky formatting to a potential employer. Take some time to edit the formatting. You may need to use a different type of spacing and line breaks than you used in the primary version of your resume. Remember to save your file in a location where you can find it. Also remember, you only need the plain text version if you need to copy and paste information into an online form or to an email. In all other cases, use the nicely formatted resume that you originally prepared. As you navigate the digital reality of online job hunting, remember that you must first pass this computer screening before your resume will be reviewed by a human. Therefore, you want to make sure that your resume is able to talk to the computer in the best way possible. A plain text resume can be one way for the computer to screen just the words and information you provide, rather than being bogged down by formatting. Good luck in your job search process. I hope these tips help you to land that interview.